Hello guys, welcome to Level Up J. So this is the question from electrostatics. It comes in JMens 2024 1 February shift 2. The question says that suppose a uniformly charged wall provide a uniform electric field of 2 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per Coulomb normally. Suppose that's our uniformly charged wall which provide a electric field, uniform electric field of itne normally. Suppose in this direction, which is 2 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per Coulomb. A charged particle of mass 2 grams being suspended through a silk thread of length 20 centimeter and remain stayed at a distance of 10 centimeter from the wall. So ये एक सिल्क थ्रेड है जिसके आगे एक चार्ज्ड पार्टिकल है जिसका मास जो दिया गया है वो 2 ग्राम्स दिया गया है। सिल्क थ्रेड की लेंथ 20 सेंटीमीटर है और ये स्टेड रहता है, मीन्स इक्विलिब्रियम पोजीशन में रहता है एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 10 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम दी वॉल। मीन्स ये डिस्टेंस जो है ये 10 सेंटीमीटर है। सो यहाँ पे थीटा एंगल सबटेंड कर रहा होगा। सो अगर हम लोग ये थीटा क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है देन दी चार्ज ऑन दी पार्टिकल विल बी चार्ज निकालना है। ओके सो अगर ये थीटा हम लोग फाइंड करें सो वी कैन अप्लाई साइन थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 10/20. So theta comes to be 30 degree. Okay, so this angle is 30 degree, and if this angle is 30 degree then this angle is also 30 degree. Okay, if this angle is 30 degree then this angle is also theta, which is 30 degree. So okay, so here is tension in the tension in the thread T. So here is cos 30, which is T root 3 by 2, and here T by 2. सो इसको बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड आगे की तरफ है, सो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज डायरेक्टेड फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव, एंड बिकॉज ये चार्ज पार्टिकल जो है ये पॉजिटिव दिख रहा है हम लोगों को, तो आगे की तरफ इस पर एक फोर्स लगेगा ड्यू टू इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड विच इज़ QE, और ग्रेविटी भी इसको नीचे खींच रही होगी, सो mg. सो बस सिंपल यहाँ से दो इक्वेशन हम लोग फॉर्म कर सकते हैं विच इज़ T/2 is equals to QE and T root 3/2 is equals to mg. Okay, so T/2 is equals to QE and T by root 3/2 is equals to mg. So yeah, we have formed two equations. Now if you see that, then root 3 QE is equals to mg. Okay, root 3 and Q we have to find it, electric field mg upon E. So root 3 Q is equals to mass is equals to 2 into 10 to the power minus 3, because in gram we have to convert in kg, and gravity which is 10, means acceleration due to gravity, and electric field is what, 2 into 10 to the power 4. So 2 cancel out. Q is equals to, it's 10 minus 2 and minus 4 upon root 3, means 10 to the power minus 6 upon root 3. It's in coulomb, so 1 upon root 3 microcoulomb, because 1 microcoulomb is equals to 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. So yeah, that's it. Your answer is 3, because we have to find in the expression root x, so x is equals to 3. Hope you understand this question. Okay, thank you.